What's up mga kuis? Magandang araw. Today it's all about a quick comforting dish, miswa with patola and meatballs. Perfect for rainy days or anytime gusto mo ng something light pero masarap. First, we're going to prepare the meatballs. Kailangan lang natin paghalu-haluin ang ingredients nito. Ground pork, garlic, kinchay, onion leaves, egg, flour, sesame oil at bibilugin lang natin ito, then set aside. And we're going to prepare next the ingredients for the soup. Chop some onion, tomato, celery, onion leeks for garnish, malunggay optional siya, and patola, then set aside. Since kanina hindi ko na napakita sa video, gumawa na ako ng chicken broth na gagamitin natin mamaya. Next, we're going to fry some meatballs. Paalala, painitin muna natin ang mantika sa pan bago natin prituin ang meatballs. And next to fry, some chicken skin. Gagamitin pala natin ang mantika mula sa pinagprituan ng meatballs at chicken skin para isute ang tomato, onion, garlic, celery, at leeks hanggang bumango ito. Then pour some chicken broth and add some patis, paminta, chicken cubes, meatballs, patola, and malunggay. At ipapahuli natin ang paglalagay ng miswa noodles kasi mabilis lang naman ito maluto. For final touch, ilagay natin to sa bowl, garnishan ng onion leeks, fried garlic, at durugin ng crispy chicken skin para sa crunchy toppings. Tapos ayun, ready na. Super simple, flavorful, at sulit sa budget. Thanks for cooking with me mga kuys. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, and follow para sa iba pang recipes. Comment din kung ano gusto niyo next. See you next time. Stay safe and enjoy!